There is one Yeezy or one shoe that I have always said that I wouldn't buy. It's the Yeezy Foam Runner because I always felt that, it was kind of too outrageous and it was just crazy. However, after reading so many positive things about it and watching several videos of reviewers, seeing the positive comments on Adidas Talk Philippines and several other Adidas Yeezy groups, I decided to pull the trigger. So today we have the Yeezy Foam Runner. I was able to pick it up from our good friend Taka Shoes. He's a reseller based in Japan, sells stuff here in the Philippines. So I have the shoe. I'll unbox it. We'll check it out together, and we'll probably do an on-feet experience with the shoe. Also, quick note. If you guys missed my episode yesterday, I got my first shot of the vaccine. So I got the Sinovac vaccine here in the Philippines. We had no choice. We couldn't pick which one. And I just want to let you know, day one, there are side effects. Nothing really. I'm okay. I'm good. And with that said, let's go. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing, guys. We have the typical Yeezy carton box, foam at the top, runner written at the side. I did get this. What size is this? I think this is like size 13. So the sizing details are at the bottom. So this is size 13. I decided to go a full size up because from the reviews that I read, yung entrada niya or the entrance is a bit narrow. So, bam! You have the tissue paper. And then... Woo! It looks so weird in person, but here we have it, guys. This is the Yeezy Foam Runner, and just by holding it, it actually gives me, it gives me Crocs vibes in terms of the feel of the material. But if it is anything like Crocs, it should be super comfortable, right? Because knock Crocs all you want, they are one of the most comfortable footwear that you can buy today. So if that's the case here, then I wouldn't mind. Well, it looks really weird. Parang siyang alien spaceship. Shoop, 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 shoop. Anyway, so yeah, what I'll do now is I'll put it on feet and I will give you guys my initial impressions of the shoe. Is it a shoe? Or is it a sandal? Or is it a slip-on? What do you guys think? Is it a shoe, a sandal, a sneaker, a slip-on? Comment down below what you think about this. And again, let me know your initial impressions in terms of the look. So tara, suot na natin siya. Our the Yeezy Foam Runners on feet. I was able to try them on for actually a little over, maybe around 3-4 hours. Number one, the overall comfort, especially the cushioning, is top-notch. And I'm sorry, it really reminds me of the feel of Crocs. As in the softness, the bounce, the overall feel, and the overall, walk and stride just gives me Crocs vibes all around. So that's the truth. I'm not lying. That's how I feel, okay? Number two, if you have like a wide forefoot, so that's the part of your foot near your toes, especially the bone near your big toe, there is a tendency for the front part of this to hit it and make it uncomfortable. So if you have narrow feet, I think it's not a problem if you have normal size feet. But if you have wide feet and the wide part is the forefoot, this front area might give you a problem. So that's how I felt, because it would hit like the bone and it would cause a certain level of discomfort every now and then. In terms of aesthetics, I think it's very subjective and it's very personal. I really am not still 100% behind it. My wife hates it. I showed it to her and she said that it looked weird, looked like an alien boat. So it really boils down, I guess, to your overall personality. If it's something that you can style properly, if it's something that you would rock in a certain way. And again, if it matches who you are, then no problem there. Because again, there's no right or wrong answer. It really depends on how you style it, how you make it look. Thirdly, I think if you're able to buy this for retail, near retail or below retail, then it's probably worth experimenting and worth buying. But if you're going to pay the exorbitant, crazy resale prices right now for these, then you might want to really give it a hard think. Unless you have the budget and you really, really 1000% like it, and you like the colorways that are here now, because obviously there will be more colorways in the future that you have a chance of buying for retail, then you might want to pull the trigger. But again, I would strongly recommend that you really, really 10,000% like it before you pull the trigger. Because paying like $400, $500, $600, around 20,000 pesos for hyped up Crocs, and I say that politely, just doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? So just remember that. I would probably shell out that kind of money for something that's, you know, a little bit more upscale in terms of materials. but yeah, it's fun, it's novel, it's comfortable, but it's definitely not worth $400, $500, $600 in my opinion. And lastly, you can probably tell that Kanye is coming out with a lot more like this, so you might just want to wait, take your chance in the raffles and maybe buy one for retail. Okay, so I actually just got a call from the intercom here at the condo, and apparently there was a package downstairs. So this is the foam runner that we just unboxed. This is another package that literally just arrived today. Apparently, I ordered two. Ano ba yun? Of the same color. Ala, ano ba yan? So, I'll probably sell one in the steel cabinet or in my shop when it opens in June. That sucks. But anyway, so this is from Taka Shoes. So shout out again to Taka Shoes. This one though, which is like a black box, is from Minneapolis PH. Now apparently this is what it actually looks like if you buy it from retail. It's an inverted box. However, I think this one is reversed because they when they sent it over from Japan, the box was disassembled. So when they reassembled here in the Philippines, probably they thought that the foam should be facing out. But apparently this is how it's actually packaged. It's a black brown carton box apparently. So yeah, I'll just quickly unbox it and show it to you. It's the same friggin' pair. So tada! I now have two size 13s of the foam runner in this colorway. But shout out to Minneapolis PH, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate it, guys. If you want to buy shoes, if you want to buy hype stuff, check them both out. I will link down below to Taka Shoes and Minneapolis PH in case you have, you know, needs for shoes like this one. Extra. Kakasabi ko lang na you don't need to buy it because it's kinda expensive and stuff, but look at me now. Labo. Linawin ko lang that wasn't a case of the shoe being so good that I had to buy two. That was me buying one kasi I wanted to review it for you on this channel, but apparently I forgot that I ordered another pair, probably because I just wanted it so bad to share it with you guys here. Labo talaga. Fail. Before we end the vlog, I just want to show you guys one thing. So I have a new delivery from All Digital over at All Home. So All Home, Via is like a mall in Las Piñas or Cavite ba yun? Basta they have a really nice gadget shop there called All Digital. I did a video on that. I link it down below just in case you guys haven't seen it yet. But as you guys know, or if you've been following this channel, I've been buying a lot of Samsung smart appliances lately. We have this smart ref that I have. So may parang tablet siya. We have this Samsung like 7-in-1 oven / air fryer / whatever. And the latest Samsung gadget that I bought is actually outside the house. So I'm letting it disinfect itself. Sprayan ko na siya na alcohol. But this will be another unboxing in a separate episode. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. This is the Samsung Smart Air Dresser Clothing Care System. So, nakita ko lang siya when I was in Evia and I just felt that it was so nice. And I finally got one. So, unboxing coming in a different episode kasi nga we're letting it rest and letting it disinfect itself. Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Dusty. So, what do you guys think of the Yeezy Foam Runners? Let me know in the comment section down below. As usual, would love to hear from all of you. And yeah, I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible given the time. But yeah, that's actually it for the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Apologies for keeping it rather quick, but I really just wanted to unbox the Foam Runner. Dapat isa lang eh. Foam Runners. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.